Welcome back. Question 8 is about cross product. First of all, you have to find out the two vector AB and AC. AB, B minus A, right? AC, C minus A. So we have them correct. So AB cross AC. Remember B minus A and C minus A. So 1 minus B, and then minus 1. And then this one cross C minus A, P minus P, and then 2. And then you do the cross product. Just work hard. Okay, one by one. First one here. 2 terms, okay? So 2, 1 minus P minus P. Middle one, this one, okay? Minus P minus 2. Lowest one, minus P minus 1 minus P. Well, very complicated. Of course, you want to make it easier, so simplify, of course. Okay, so first one is 2 minus 3P minus 2 minus P. Okay, the number first. Okay, and then is P squared minus 2P. This is the part A. You did a good job. And part B, find the smallest possible value of magnitude square. So you need to do it. Okay, magnitude square. So this one magnitude square. So 3-dimensional Pythagoras theorem. X squared, Y squared, Z squared all add together. I understand. A lot of calculation you need to do, a lot of simplification. After doing all the hard shape, you should get P to the power 4 minus 4P to the power cube plus 14P squared minus 8P plus 8. After doing this simplification, easier to plug in into the calculator, and then the calculator can help to find out the minimum value of this square, and then you work it out. Remember, when you do it, make sure good presentation. So minimum is 6.753. You make a 4 figure, and it will be excellent, no matter for these marks and for the further use. And for part C, Hans found the minimum of the area. So I remember the area, just half square root this way. So for the part C, it is a straightforward. And then area equals half square root. This time you will see the magic. You copy the 4 silicon figure 1, and then you get a correct answer to the 3 silicon figure. So it's a 1.30. Remember, in mathematics, you don't need to write any unit. It doesn't like science. In science, you need to write it. So we did it. Well done.